Hello friends, this is Yvette from Yvette Creates, and I am a member of the Not Too Shabby Shop design team. I'm going to make a few cards today using paper from the Down the Shore paper pad, as well as the coordinating ephemera, and I'm going to bring in a stamp set that is the Doodle Summer Borders stamp set, and these are all part of the box of the month for June 2025. Now, I'm also going to be using the Sheetload of Card Sketch, which is an exclusive sketch that was part of the Not Too Shabby Cottage Rose virtual retreat. Now, I'll link to the virtual retreat in the description box below, so you can go check that out and get your own copy of this exclusive Sheetload of Card Sketch. Now, I'm not going to show you the full sketch here, but I will start working on making my cards. Now I have gone ahead and chosen the pattern papers I'm going to use. I've gone ahead and stamped and cut my sentiments that I'm going to use on these cards. Now this sketch does make 4 mini slimline cards. So I did get my card bases ready and I used this cardstock I have in my stash. It's speckled cardstock. So I figured I really need to use this up, so I use this for my mini slimline card bases. Now this sketch only calls for 1 sheet of 6x6 pattern paper and some cardstock for your background layer. But I'm going to use other pattern papers from that pack for my background layer. So let's get started cutting our paper. So again, these are the 3 designs I'm using. And then here's the reverse side of them. Just beautiful. Now, this one has this beautiful scene on there, and I had a hard time deciding to use this paper for the reverse side, but because I have 3 other sheets of this paper, I thought it would be okay to use one. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting up my papers. So first of all, I'm going to cut some of the pattern papers as my background panels. So those 2 on the side are my background panels. So here's an image from the sketch, so you'll kind of get an idea what it looks like. And then I'll cut the other strips that I'm going to layer on those background panels. Now this is a very easy sketch to cut and put together. I have to tell you, it was a no-brainer for me. So this one that I'm going to use for another background panel, I'm setting aside. And then I'll cut a few more of those strips from this third piece of pattern paper, using up only half of it for the strips. And then I'll set that other part aside as my 4th background panel. Now here I'm deciding what strip to use on which of the pattern paper background panels. And it can be a little bit tricky because you don't want your strips to get lost in that pattern paper. But eventually, after shifting them around from one panel to the other, flipping them to the B side and then back to the A side, I eventually make a decision and just kind of lay them out on each of the panels. Now, once I've done that, I can go ahead and start to choose what ephemera that I'm going to use for each of my cards. And so I do have the coordinating ephemera pack here, and it has so many beautiful images. As you can see on that sketch there, there's a sentiment strip and then a piece of either ephemera or an image of some sort that you can add. So I'm kind of going through all the beautiful pieces of ephemera and deciding which ones to use. Now, once I've made that decision, it's easy peasy to get the cards put together. So what I like to do when I have strips of paper like this to attach to another panel is I try and use something like with an edge on it. For example, my guillotine trimmer or maybe my scoreboard. And that helps me to line them up all evenly at the bottom. And then once I have those lined up, I went ahead and attached that panel to the card base. And then I'm adding some foam tape to the beautiful ephemera. I just can't get over how pretty this ephemera is, guys. And add that onto my card right above where I placed the sentiment. And I use the same sentiment for all 4 cards. It simply says, "Hello, Summer." And aren't we all ready for summer? I know I am. Okay, I'm going to play a little bit of music while I finish putting my cards together here. And then I'll see you at the end. Alrighty, friends, here are my 4 completed cards using the Down the Shore pattern paper and ephemera, as well as the sentiment from the Doodle Summer Borders stamp set, and the exclusive, not too shabby Cottage Rose Virtual Retreat sheet load of card sketch. Woo, that was a mouthful. Now, as a reminder, I will add links in the description box to the virtual retreat as well as to the Not Too Shabby shop. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end. I do hope I was able to provide you with just a little bit of inspiration today. Until next time, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.